We know na nangangailangan ng periodic maintenance ang ating mga sasakyan, but because of work, family schedule, and other factors, minsan hindi na natin siya nagagawa. But we have a solution for that. We now have easy mobile service from FOTON Philippines. In this time of distancing, when staying at home is the safest course of action, we want to make it safer and easier for the customers to service their FOTON vehicles.
The Easy Mobile Service Solution helps us bring FOTON's brand of easy and convenient service outside the walls, the four walls of our service center, and closer to our customers, giving them the same level of service that we would to anyone who walks into our store.